Hey everyone, it's Wendy from Hombli. As you might have noticed while reading the title of this video, we've launched a new camera. The battery cam is now officially a member of the Hombli family. Okay, I hear you thinking, why battery cam? Well, the answer to that is pretty obvious to us. The solar cam was our first wireless battery cam, which could charge itself using the sun. However, not everyone can rely on sunlight availability when using a camera. That's why we've came up with our latest product, the battery cam. The battery cam can be used in places without sun, for example, indoors or underneath a canopy or porch. Additionally, we've also created an option to add a solar panel to the battery cam, so it can still be charged using the sun. But later more over that. Let's dive in on the battery cam. The Hombli battery cam is easy to use. Effortlessly place it anywhere you want with a magnetic mount and monitor it day and night in full color. It detects motion, sends alerts and records the action. When the battery is almost empty, simply grab it, charge it and hang it back. You can easily place it indoors as well as outdoors, for example in your baby room, garage or garden. We're going to unbox the Hombli Battery Cam 2K. In this video, I'll show you what's in the box and how the battery cam works. When we open the box, the first thing that comes out is the manual. Next up is the battery cam with a magnetic mount. Then we've got the additional mount and the accessories. Let's talk about some of the features that make the Hombli Battery Cam 2K different. This magnetic mount makes it easy to detach the camera when you want to charge the 5200 mAh built-in battery. If you want a more permanent mount, you can also use the included wall mount using the 1/4 inch thread. Due to its IP65 waterproof design, the battery cam is resistant to all weather conditions, providing reliable security in rain or sunshine. On the front of the battery cam, you can clearly see the large lens. This camera has a very high resolution, which produces a 2K live video, so you're going to see every detail crisp and clear. Under the lens, you can find a black rectangle, which is the passive infrared sensor. This sensor is a very efficient sensor that can accurately detect motion. It will turn on the main camera when it detects movement. The camera will then start recording. When this happens, the status indicator above the image sensor will also turn on blue, so it's always clear that the camera is recording. The battery cam has a smart brightness sensor that can sense when the light is too low for normal recording. When that happens, it switches on the 4 infrared LEDs around the lens. These LEDs emit invisible infrared light that illuminate the object in front of the camera. The camera also uses a special filter that only lets in infrared light, so the image sensor can capture everything clearly. To still be able to see colors at night, we also added 2 very bright LEDs. These will clearly illuminate anything in your garden when it's dark outside. In the app, you can easily switch between infrared night vision and colored night vision. There is also a smart automatic mode, which will switch on to colored night vision only when it's dark and when motion is detected. This feature is also great for scaring away any unwanted intruders who might think they can hide in the shadows. The last thing that you can find on the front of the battery cam is a small microphone. This is used for the sound detection function, which will send a notification when the camera detects sound. Using this microphone together with a loudspeaker on the back of the battery cam, you can also communicate with people through the camera. This is for instance helpful when you need to reach your kids in the garden. The speaker can also be used as a siren. With one tap of a button, you can activate this function, which makes a very loud alarm. You can also activate the automatic alarm, which will trigger the siren whenever the camera detects motion. But that's not all. We've included some other exciting features in the battery cam. As I mentioned, this camera uses both sound and motion detection, but not how you're used to it. You see, usually when these features are included and you're living in a busy street, you receive a lot of notifications. But with this camera, you now select the area from which you want to receive notifications. This way, you'll only receive relevant notifications. And we're not done yet. The battery cam offers various storage and playback options, allowing you to effortlessly save and review footage. Save your videos directly to your phone while watching live, or opt for extra flexibility with optional SD card or cloud storage. This way, you always have your security footage at your fingertips, no matter where you are. And last but not least, the battery cam can be charged automatically by the sun with the additional solar panel. On the bottom of the battery cam, you'll find a USB-C port in which the cable from the solar panel can be plugged in. The solar panel allows the battery cam to function without a need to charge the battery. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, and we'll see you next time.